Okay. 1, 2, 3. Good evening, everyone watching us tonight on TV6 and TV3 Play. New episode from Nakties Stop. And we're always starting from a restaurant. Beautiful Jolanta always picks beautiful places. Labą dieną, kaip sekasi?
Labas vakaras, sekasi labai gerai. So you're learning Lithuanian language. Trying to learn. I'm gonna teach you Lithuanian
Really?
language.
Can
Somehow
you teach me?
it's too hard. It's very complicated, but I will try.
But I love your language. It's got this beautiful music into it.
Music?
Yeah.
Well, so already I'm singing, so it's good, and I have to
Yeah.
learn to sing.
Of course, no,
I just only need to talk in Lithuanian language, and I'm singing already.
You are really gonna sing?
Well, yeah.
Really?
I'm already singing.
And what is the song? Tell me about it. That's a new news.
No, it's just Lithuanian language. That's the song.
Okay, and when are you gonna release it?
Now.
Now? Okay, where is it? Somewhere. You're making a
I
joke.
don't know. No, I mean, I'm talking in Lithuanian, so already because you said it.
Yeah, okay, so
Okay, where-
let's repeat it without the song. You don't want to say,
Yes,
okay. Okay. All right. Ready? Okay. 1, 2, 3. Hello, good evening for everyone watching on TV6 and TV3 Play. It's a new episode from Nakties Stop. Good evening, beautiful Jolanta.
Good evening, Andy.
How are
Nice
you?
to see you.
Nice to see you. Beautiful green, and you're really looking good like
Green because
usual.
it's spring, it's everything. So I'm waiting for green trees, green grass. So my outfit is green today.
Oh, so you will be hiding behind the trees,
Yes.
and you will be also wearing green, or you will be wearing less clothes when you're hiding?
Well, I don't know. We'll see. Time will show.
Okay. It's nice because in Lithuania during summertime, everybody is sitting and sunbathing in the greeneries, you know? It's like you go and everyone is sitting and having a bit of sun, which is very nice, in Vilnius especially. Labą dieną, kaip sekasi?
Sekas labai gerai. So you are trying to talk in Lithuanian language.
Yes.
Very good.
I'm learning, yes.
Mokykis, mokykis.
What does that mean? What does it mean, mokytis?
Learn, learn.
Yes, I should learn. It's a beautiful language and I love the music in it.
Yeah, music. It's Mexican music. We're in Mexican restaurant. Eco Taco.
Yes.
I've been once in Mexico, so I have tried real Mexican food, and it's
Yeah.
amazing. So I brought you here to try like Lithuanian Mexican. It's of course not. I mean, a restaurant which is in Lithuania, but Mexican food. So
Okay.
now we're gonna try this one. It's
Nachos?
quesadilla, nachos with quesadilla and some salad. So I hope it's gonna be tasteful, and of course it's gonna be a little bit more spicy. So prepare yourself and prepare your stomach to burn and to spread the fire.
Really, you like it. You like it when you make me burn on Nakties Stop and I sit and spend the evening drinking water.
Yes, that's good. Yes.
Okay,
Water
so-
is always good.
We will taste it and we will tell everyone whether we like the place or we don't.
So
And
this is just the beginning. So we're gonna have
Yeah.
like some few dishes. So
it's your treat tonight.
yes, yes.
Okay, I have a treat for you and we have 2 movies to talk about this time. And the first one is called High Strung. So this movie is basically nice for everyone who likes sort of romantic movies that has a little bit of action, and this time the action is dancing. Briefly, it's about a girl who won a scholarship to learn dancing, hip hop and this kind of dancing, and she meets this British guy that sings in the subways in New York to earn a living. And this is where the story starts, and there's dancing and competitions and drama and all this, and the heart beating for love.
Love is always good.
Yes, always makes the heart beat. So let's check out the trailer and we'll start digging in with the starters.
Okay, so let's check out the trailer and we're gonna start to eat. We're
Skanos.
so hungry, skanos.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, Andy, it was very nice
Can we
trailer.
repeat?
Okay.
Okay, 1. Look at the cam. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, the trailer was really very nice. So I'm gonna go and to see this movie. So now we're gonna try some other dishes. Taigi mes ragausime tako su krevetėm, blyneliai su kiauliena, jautiena kepta ant griliaus ir dar pavadinimą pamiršau, bet čia bus vištiena. Ir visokie užkandėliai. Tai vat, manau, tikrai bus labai skanu ir mes persivalgysim. So let's eat because we don't have too much time, so don't waste our time and eat the food.
Yes, and Yolanta, I want to ask you about the address of the place. No, we're still, still. When you finish.
Okay. Well, the trailer was really so nice. I'm looking forward to see this movie. And now we're gonna try some of the dishes.
Okay.
Taigi mes ragausime traški tako su krevetėm, blineliai su kiauliena, jautiena kepta ant griliaus su daržovėm. Čia pavadinimą pamiršau, bet tikrai bus labai skanu, viduje yra vištiena ir visokie įvairiausi užkandėliai. Ir mūsų adresas šio meksikietiško restoranėlio yra Tilto gatvė 2. Taip kad tikrai kviečiu visus apsilankyti ir paragauti labai skanaus maistą. Okay, I'm finished, so I'm giving...
I'm fantasizing about those plates.
Now you are.
Okay, so as I told you, there are two movies. The second one, I've written it here. It's Eye in the Sky. Eye in the Sky is mainly for guys now. We talked about a movie that girls might be interested in, and now this one, mainly guys will be interested in, is about the secret agent who is trying to do an operation in Kenya. And it's about capturing a terrorist and those stories, you know, like trying to prevent a terroristic attack by capturing one. And the whole thing goes wrong, and it's about terrorism, and the plot is happening and being filmed in Kenya. So trailer time, and I will give you this hot thing to try. Hot like you, Yolanta. Yes, here you go. Try it.
Thank you. Super good. Very good.
Very good. Trailer and we carry on.
Okay, so, čia yra traški takos su krevetėm, blineliai su kiauliena, čia yra kažkas labai skanaus, traškaus, minkšto, viduje yra vištiena, pavadinimą nepamenu, ir jautiena ant griliaus kartu su daržovėm. Nu, čia įvairiausi užkandžiai, kaip matom. Na ir viskas turbūt. Laikas valgyti.
Ready?
But let's make some funny
Something,
short
yeah,
video
yeah,
to
yeah.
put just on the Facebook like this one. We ate lots of beans, so we're gonna fart all the night tonight.
Yeah, one.
It's not about alcohol, about farting, but it's nice.
Okay. Okay. So the first one is for the internet now?
Internet?
Yeah? You're gonna make one funny for the
Yes,
internet?
yes.
Okay. So, Yolanta, So, what do you think of the food? I mean, do you like it?
Food was very good. Taigi, kaip gerai, kad jis nesupranta lietuviškai, o prisivalgė labai daug pupų ir dabar šį vakarą visą laiką bezdės ir klube bezdės. No, you didn't understand, no? Or you understood?
It's smelling already.
No, it's not me, it's you.
Then we have to cut and repeat
We're
this.
gonna fart all the night, so you're welcome to see and to come over.
I'm not gonna put this on TV. Cut.
No.
Yolanda. Okay. Right. So there you go. Almost wiped.
White?
Wiped.
Plates are white.
Wiped.
Wiped?
W-I-P-P-E-D. Wiped.
Yeah, almost.
Shall we repeat?
We
We shall. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay, there you go. Plates are literally almost wiped out. Did you like it? Tell me.
Yes, it was
your
so
review.
delicious, especially beans. So I'm gonna fart tonight all the
Fuck.
night. And I know everybody's gonna run away. So I know I have a problem. People are coming. too close
Okay.
to me in a club, so that's good. I'm gonna have some like a strong protection, like my own shield.
You know what? I think if we put
Black
this
jeans.
on TV, it'll be the last
I'm
episode.
gonna
probably.
have green smoke all around. Look, I'm green, so I'm gonna have green aura of.
I'm gonna. Well, that's a nice way of ending a meal. Yeah.
of
Of course. Let's repeat. Let's fucking repeat. Did you start?
not yet.
Where?
It's burning. My stomach is burning. Like,
In Lebanese we say
waiting
كسخت
for, it's waiting
الشغلة.
for the perfect time when we'll be in Mojo.
Yeah.
It's the best place to start.
In Lebanese we say كسخت هالشغلة.
كسخت الشغلة.
كسخت هالشغلة.
كسخت الشغلة.
اخت الساعة اللي جينا فيها لهون إذا بدك تبلشي. يلا. Ready? Shall we start? You're filming?
Yeah.
I'm gonna put this on Facebook.
Huh?
I'm gonna put it on Facebook. Can I put it on Facebook?
Of course.
Of course. Kinder Spirit. 1, 2, 3. Okay, here you go. Almost.
Farting process has started.
We're not gonna end today. And I'm in bloody white.
What are you drinking? It's a white, something white.
Fucking water here. It's anyway. Okay. Again. Ready?
Yes,
One.
I'm ready. I'm always
Born
ready.
ready.
for-
1,
It's
2.
good for health. You didn't know?
Yes.
Yes,
That's
so-
not for the one smelling it though. It's good for the one doing it. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so there you go. We almost wiped the place. And Jolanta, what do you think? How do you review the place?
It's amazing. It's delicious food. Vieta tikrai nuostabi maistas, labai skanus ir nežinau, ką daugiau pasakyti, labai aštrokas, pasirinktas taip, kaip ir norėjom, kad pagamintų truputėlį aštriau. Tai tikrai maistas pasakiškas ir manau penktadienio ar šeštadienio vakarą puikiai tinkantis, kad po to pratesti vakarą kažkur tais kitur ir iššaukti viską, ką mes suvalgėm. Yeah, well,
I also like it. I like it. We ate a lot and we still...
your plate, what you are lying? You didn't eat anything. This is mine.
This is yours, I
The
did.
biggest stomach, and you didn't eat anything.
You work out. I am on a diet, so you can afford losing a lot of calories and getting them and everything. For me, it's gaining.
Okay,
You're gonna be trainer. You're gonna train me to lose weight.
Of course.
No, honestly, it's really nice, really good. There's nothing I didn't like. I didn't try the rice with those things on it because I'm. You will know about it shortly. But I recommend. My recommendation is yes, come and try it. It's very good. I like it. It's easy to access in downtown or near Gedimino.
Yes, the place is amazing, very good. I can imagine, especially when it's summer, it's so nice to come over and to sit and to watch people walking all around looking into us. How do we eat some
In-
spicy food?
Short skirts in summer.
Yeah.
I like it.
Skirts and shorts.
So thumbs up for the place. Excellent. Very good.
Skanu, nuostabi vieta, puikiai ir tikrai.
Listen up. Tonight it's happening. So I'm gonna go and check out what Laura is doing.
Okay.
She's filming in a few places to see what's happening and to put on TV. And then I'll follow you to Mojo because Julie is doing one of those crazy nights again. This 50 Shades of Grey, and
Oh, that's my place.
yeah, it's supposed to be sexy and erotic like all the shows Julie does.
Yeah.
So we will end up going to you. We will end up going to
It's
you.
okay, so
Me
I'm
and
looking
Remus,
forward to go
our friend,
alone there.
cameraman.
Alone. And after, you're gonna come to me.
Yes, I will come.
Come,
I'm gonna go to
save me.
Laura now. Yes. Take care on the street. You had a lot of water, okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Got it? Okay. Right, here you go. We almost wiped the plates. There were... Okay. Okay, here you go. We almost wiped the plates. A lot of food. We did a lot of tasting. Jolanta, what do you think? Honestly.
Amazing.
That's it?
Amazing. It's so good, and I'm full and my stomach is full. It's quite spicy, as we wanted, and it's really amazing. It's very good food. Maistas labai skanus ir tikrai rekomenduoju užsukti čia, bet gardelį paragauti ir manau tikrai norėsis dar kartą ateiti. Yes, okay.
Okay, so I agree with you. It's really good, very tasty. All the plates are delicious. Jolanta already explained about them. Come and try the place. It's in a very good location. Thumbs up. Okay. And after this big meal, I think I'm gonna walk in Gedimino a little bit.
I know what we're gonna do.
And go and see Laura. She's somewhere.
Okay.
And we'll check out what Laura is doing. And then I'll follow you to Mojo.
Yes.
Because in Mojo, there's one of those crazy nights Julie does. He always does those sexy, erotic shows, you know, Julie. So
Yeah,
let's see what he has.
very good
50
place for
shades of
me.
50 Shades of Grey. Okay. And with you, it's gonna be 51.
Yeah, I'm gonna.
We'll keep on adding
I'll
until
make
it's.
one extra shade.
I will keep on adding shades until they reach the 69 Shades of Grey. Good.
Try it.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Good. Hello TV3.lt. It's a new segment. You're gonna be watching it on a weekly basis. It's gonna be a mini Naktia stop. We will show you what happened in Vilnius with Jolanta and Laura. Hi Jolanta, how are you?
I'm always very good, very good.
So we're gonna be with everyone on TV3.lt, showing them, as I said, what happened during the weekend, a mini Naktia stop. Shall we start?
Yes, let's start.
Let's go. Okay, we do one more time and then Jolanta.
Lithuanian stuff.
Yes, the Lithuanian side. We start. Hello. Hello TV3.lt. It's a new segment. You're gonna be seeing it on a weekly basis. A mini Naktia stop with Jolanta, with myself, and with Laura. How are you, Jolanta?
I'm very good.
We will take you around the places we went to, and you'll check them all out. And I hope you'll have fun. Are you ready for TV3.lt?
Yes, I'm ready.
Born ready.
Yes,
Let's go.
let's go.
Okay. Now it's yours.
Okay. Taigi ką tik peržiūrėjote trumpą video, visko, ką mes aplankėme, kur buvome. Okay, let's start from the beginning. Taigi ką tik Taigi ką tik matėte trumpą video, visur, kur mes buvome, visas tas nuostabias vietas, kurias aplankėme. Žiūrėkit mūsų laidą per TV6 kanalą penktadieniais 10:30 vakare. Ir taip pat per TV3 Play. Kiek susitiksime kitą penktadienį. Jo, gerai. Okay? Ką tik matėte trumpą video visų tų vietų, kurią mes aplankėme ir kur mes buvome. Ir žiūrėkite mūsų laidą. My tongue is like a blah. Okay, let's from beginning. Matėte trumpą video mūsų aplankytų vietų, ten, kur mes buvome. Ir žiūrėkite mūsų laidą kiekvieną penktadienį 10:30 vakare per TV6. Ir taip susitiksime kitą penktadienį. Iki. Toliau? Like this? Okay. Ką tik matėte trumpą video mūsų aplankytų vietų ir tai, ką matysite šį penktadienį. Ką žiūrėkit mūsų laidą kiekvieną... Okay, from beginning. Ką tik matėte video su trumpa... No, not trumpa. Okay, let's start from beginning. Ką tik matėte trumpą video mūsų aplankytų vietų ir žiūrėkite mūsų laidą kiekvieną penktadienį per TV6 10:30 vakare. Susitiksime kitą penktadienį. Gerai? Girdisi viskas, nematau. Gerai. Nagi papasakok, kas čia per vakarėlis vyks ir kodėl jisai pavadintas 50 pilkų atspalvių.
Labas vakaras visiems, su jumis laida Nakties Top ir mes Driulė XL. Ką žinau, 50 atspalvių dėl to, kad šis romanas arba filmas įkvėpė visus šiek tiek pasvajoti apie intimų gyvenimą ir mes pagalvojom su Mojo Lounge Vilnius ir visa komanda, kad visai būtų įdomu pateikti tokią erotinę estetiką klube. Ir kadangi mes esam tokios klubinio šou propaguotojai ir įdomių renginių mąstytojai, taigi šį vakarą pateiksime 50 Shades of Grey versiją, kurią mums padeda organizuoti 78 drabužių arba odinių aksesuarų parduotuvė, kuri yra Vilniuje. Ačiū Olgai, kuri yra šios parduotuvės menedžerė, kaip čia pasakyti. Taip kad pafilmuosim, pažiūrėsim, iš tikrųjų laukia įspūdinga naktis ir tikiuosi viskas pavyks.
Na, aš manau, kad tikrai pavyks. Tai visgi laukėt seksualių žmonių, kad ateitų. Seksualiai apsirengę, su odiniais drabužiais.
Dress kodą kaip ir mes neturim, mes manau, kad po šio vakarėlio galėsim jau prašyti žmonių, kad jie susirinktų tam tikrą aprangą apsirengę. Čia yra pirmasis vakaras ir mes gal užduodam toną sekantiem vakarėliam.
Gerai, ačiū labai, tai žiūrėsim, kas čia bus tada. Dėkui. Dėkui jums irgi. This side I'm shaved, so it's good. Yeah. So hi guys. Hi. Where are you from?
From Italy.
So what are you gonna do tonight? You came to party and this is the first time for you here?
We came for the business in Mojo. Yeah.
It's actually the second time here.
Yeah.
Second time in Mojo, second time in Lithuania.
No, second time in Mojo.
Many times in Lithuania. We are an Italian model.
Italiani, mi piace italiani tantissimo. Sì, un po' beviamo qualcosa.
Dopo ti offriamo da bere. You are our guest.
Yes.
Yeah, yes, thank you. I will join you tonight.
Club in Lithuania.
The best club in Lithuania.
Yeah.
Yes, it's one of the best ones.
Yeah.
We are here for dancing. We are very good dancer. Huh?
Yeah, and tonight will come lots of beautiful girls, so I think you for sure we're gonna have one.
We hope
There are
so.
girls here.
Yes, lots of girls come, beautiful, tall, amazing.
We didn't know it. How is
Just
possible?
wait. Everything is possible if you wish. Okay, guys, thank you so much. So wishing you very, amazing night and enjoy 50 Shades of Grey night of tonight.
Ciao. Ciao. Yeah.
Thank you, guys.
I'm in Mojo now. There's a very nice event by Driulė, 50 Shades of Grey. Very nice, sexy fashion show. Let's check it out. All right, I came back to end the episode with a beautiful Jolanta that I started the episode with, and I'm here in Mojo because there's a very nice event in Mojo. On a weekly basis, there's an event. Labas, again, how are you?
Perfect. It's amazing music. It's gonna be amazing event called 50 Shades of Grey. So now I'm gonna go to interview with Driulė and stay with me and you'll see what's the party gonna happen tonight.
Driulė, DJ Driulė is the one who's organizing the event.
Yes, the guy who is organizing this event. Okay, let's go. Einam.
Okay, let's do it one more time.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. I started the episode with Jolanta. I'm gonna end it with Jolanta. Hello again. How are you?
Hi, I'm very good.
You're having fun without me?
Yes, I'm in Mojo. Tonight is gonna be amazing party called 50 Shades of Grey. And Driulė is organizing, so now I'm gonna go to interview him. So
Okay. Driulė, we know Driulė from Nakties Top as well. He was with us during a couple of episodes. DJ Driulė is organizing, right?
yes, it's gonna be a sexy party.
I heard that it's gonna be some nice, sexy stuff tonight.
About our hidden dreams.
Sorry?
About our hidden dreams.
Let's go. We carry on. We arrived. We carry on, and now it's the final part of Naktia Stop. I started the episode with Yolanta. I'm gonna finish it with her. She's party mood, and she's in Mojo because there's a nice event. You're having fun without me?
Yes. Mojo is amazing place even to be without you. Well, tonight's gonna be a very nice event called 50 Shades of Grey, and Ruli is organizing, and soon I'm gonna go to interview him.
Very good.
Yes.
Well, looking forward to know what's gonna happen. It's all yours.
Okay. My. Let's go. Ačiū visiems, kas buvo su mumis ir kas žiūrėjo mūsų laidą. Susitiksime kitą penktadienį 10:30 per TV6. Taigi laikas atsisveikinti ir sudie. Well, Andy, it's time to say goodbye.
Yes. Thank you, Yolanta. Thanks everyone who watched the show tonight. TV6, 10:30 p.m. and TV3 play at any time. You have a good night.
Good night. Sveiki.
Labą, esu Gerbertas iš grupės Mood Sellers ir esu grupės atstovas, vadybinu mūsų organizuojamus renginius, koncertus ir visą grupės veiklą.
Ir gal galėtumėte trumpai pasakoti, kas šiandien čia vyksta? Jūs koncertuojate, taip?
Taip,
Ir koks būtų šiandien tas pasirodymas?
Tai būtų gyvos muzikos pasirodymas, mes esam pučiamųjų grupė ir pučiamųjų ir būgnų, 6 pučiamieji ir 2 būgnininkai. Vokalo neturim, bet kartais padainuojam patys, tai ir vyks visiškai gyvos muzikos koncertas.
Ar pirmą kartą šioje vietoje koncertuojate?
Taip, pirmą kartą.
Ir kokie būtų artimiausi ateities planai iš tikrųjų? Ar planuojate kažką išleisti ir nustebinti savo gerbėjus kažkuo nauju?
Taip, mes kiekvieną kartą į koncertą įnešam kažko naujo, tai arba naują aranžuotą kūrinį, arba savo sukurtą naują kūrinį. Artimiausi planai mūsų yra visų pirma įrašyti albumą, o antras planas yra per gatvės muzikos dieną, tai yra tokia tradicija, mes jau grosim berods 8 ar 9 metus nuo pat pradžių gatvės muzikos dienos pasirodymo. Ir šiais metais darysim žygiavimą. Mes grosim Forest Downtown hostelėje 8 val. Ir nuo 7:30 mes pradėsim žygiuoti, dar tiksliai vietos neturime, bet tikrai promautinsim savo Facebook'e ir darysim vieną didelį tokį žygiavimą į tą vietą, kad visi žmonės ateitų kartu su muzika, žygiuotų, tokį darytų bendrą, kaip ir renginį. Ja, ir jau
Tai labai smagu. O žiūrėkit, kur dabar artimiausiu metu būtų galima jūs išvysti? Jau artimiausi koncertai, tarkim, jeigu žmonės nori jūs kažkur pamatyti, kur galėtų jie atvykti?
Šiandien yra Vilniuje No Rose klubėje ir kitą šeštadienį mes grosim Kaune klube Orikso.
Tai visus kviečiam kitą savaitgalį, ar ne, į Kauną?
Būtinai ateikit į klubą Orikso, 9 val. Pradėsim groti.
Supratau, ačiū Jums labai, tai gerą koncertą. Ačiū. Yeah.
It was a very nice dinner, and I came here now to see Laura, because we're starting to party. Labas.
Labas.
How are you?
How are you?
We are both in white.
Yes.
It's not like we, talked about it. It just happened that we have the same chemistry.
Yes, of course.
Chemistry.
Yes, we're good
So,
friends, We're
but-
just like sister and brother, yeah?
No, excuse me. Sister and brother? Sister and brother. Let's repeat that, motherfucking gay.
No, I'm just saying.
I know. No, it's not nice. Sister and brother. Okay. We carry on, and now it's time to party, and Laura is waiting for me in a place called No Rules. More information shortly. How are you?
Hi, I'm good. How are you?
Nice white.
Yes, nice to you too.
It's not like we talked, let's get all in white tonight, but just happened
Yes,
like this.
It's our.
Yes, and let me see what's written. We all start, can I take out we all start of a stranger. I am not a stranger though. So I'm like halfway there, right?
You're my friend, yeah?
Yes.
Yeah.
So I'm like halfway there.
Yeah.
Okay, that's good. So anyway, nice. Laura, we'll be going to a couple of places, and then I will follow Yolanta. She went to Mojo because Drule is doing something crazy tonight. Yeah.
Oh,
All
nice.
those sexy
50
things,
shades
50
of...
shades of Drules. things.
Yeah.
So where are we here, Noru?
No rules, yeah.
And is there something happening? Tell me.
Yes. Šiandien čia groja grupė ir iš tikrųjų tai bus gyvas koncertas.
Yes.
Aš manau, kad tai yra nauja grupė, neseniai susikūrusi, bet manau, jų muzika bus tikrai stebinanti. Taigi labai laukiam, kada jie pasirodys.
Labai.
Labai? Yes?
Yes.
So we can...
Give me your hand. Here you go. Good luck. All right, we start with the party side of Naktia Stop now. Hi, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Just after a very nice Mexican dinner with
Yeah.
Yolanta. Yes.
It was nice.
It was very nice. It was very nice.
Okay.
Very much recommended. And we are here in Noruz. Laura was here before me and before us because she's going to tell us about what's happening. But we are both in white. Cute, eh?
Yes,
Yes.
of course.
It's not like we took a phone and talked about it. It just happened. You know?
Yeah.
Okay, we all start off as strangers, and then what
But
happens?
we are not stranger. We are friends.
So I'm already on the way, you know. I like this say. Anyway, Laura, we're gonna have a few events to finish off with before ending the episode in Mojo. There's a very nice crazy theme night like usual by Drule.
Shades of grey.
All the girls with the sexy outfits and everything.
Yeah.
Yes. Tell me about the place you chose for us to come to tonight.
Okay. Iš tikrųjų dabar esame kaip ir sporto bare No Rules. Taigi kiekvieną penktadienį, šeštadienį čia vyksta visokie vakarai, įdomiausi koncertai ir būtent čia jūs galite pasižiūrėti varžybas, viskas, kas susijęs su sportu. Ir taip pat čia galima paragauti ir gėrimų, ir maisto. Taigi labai jaukia aplinka, neįpareigojanti ir iš tikrųjų visai smagu čia. Taigi labai kviečiu visus čia užsukti. O dabar eisim paklausyti, kasgi dainuos čia. Taip? Yes?
Tip, of course. Tip, gerai.
We can go?
Labai,
Let's
labai
go.
gražu. Remis.
Thank you.
Zoom, my friend. Zoom in. You want one balance?
Stop it.
Zoom.
Okay. Let's try that. And don't spoil that.
One. We are in the beer bar now. How do you say beer bar in Lithuanian?
Alaus namai?
And this is the name of the place. Alaus
Alaus namai.
namai.
Yeah.
Alaus namai.
Yes.
Okay. And who likes Red Hot Chili Pepper? We'll like the evening tonight because it's the project of the band. Of course, they are not playing here Red Hot Chili Pepper or Peppers or a group of Peppers. But the gum is showing. The motherfucking gum is showing. Swallow it.
I'm trying.
You have to smile. Okay. We are in a beer bar. In Lithuanian, how do you say beer bar?
Alaus namai.
Alaus namai?
Alaus namai.
Alaus namai.
Alaus namai. Yeah.
Alaus namai. My teacher. Red Hot Chili Peppers project. It's happening here tonight. And eventually the band will start singing. But what's the name of the singer? Have you asked around?
Taip, iš tikrųjų tai yra lietuvių dainininkas Justinas Lapatinskas ir su grupė taip pat atliks pasirodymus, manau.
Yes.
Yes.
This place is a very nice place. It's not new. And all people who live in Vilnius, they know the place. So I want to say for all the foreigners who are visiting Lithuania, whether for a holiday or they're working here, they should come and check it out. It's a big place.
Yeah.
And
There's a lot of people.
you can eat, you can
Yeah,
drink,
Drink.
you can meet people.
You can dance.
You can dance.
Sing, everything.
Yeah. Shall we get down from the stage? I think the band wants to come.
Yeah, I think so, yeah.
You think they want to come?
Yeah,
Let's go down.
let's go.
Vienas, du, trys, keturi. Vienas, du, trys, antras. Šokas, šokas. Du, trečias žingsnis. Atgal, atgal.
Naktia Stop carries on all the nice nights. Hello.
Ir nuo pradžių. Tai pirmas. sekas. Liuks. Gerai. Mes kaip ir šokam.
Go, motherfucker! We carry on. Naktia Stop is going everywhere tonight. Yes? We carry on with Naktia Stop. Okay. Still touring in Vilnius, checking out what's happening. Laura, my beautiful Laura, she likes Latin dancing. So, look, I got you to come and learn. The place is called Cuba Studio Pub and Club. And you see that they are learning, and there's a teacher. All those people are not students in the class, and they're coming here for a party for the class. They are actually people having an evening here in Cuba, and there's this nice attraction, and she's teaching them how to dance. Shall we learn?
What?
I don't know. You're good dancing. I'm very bad.
We can try.
Teach me.
1, 2, 3. Ir nuo pradžių. Dabar jūs. Aš jūs tik žiūriu. Antras. Bravo.
Sveiki, Ieva.
Sveiki.
Gal galėtumėt šiek tiek papasakoti apie savo veiklą, nes iš tikrųjų ką tik matėm, kaip nuostabiai šokate. Ir gal galėtumėt papasakoti apie savo veiklą ir kaip jūs esate susijusi su šia vieta.
Aš susijusiu su šia vieta, todėl kad aš labai myliu šią vietą, todėl kad tai yra Kuba, tai yra Kuba Lietuvoje. O aš pati esu šokių mokytoja, mokinu šokti salsą. Turiu savo mokyklą, kuri vadinasi Ieva šokių studija. Jo. Taip. Ir tiesiog, kadangi tai yra vieta, kurioje skamba salsa, tai jinai man yra labai natūraliai artima šita vieta ir aš ją labai pamėgau ir su mūsų visa kompanija mes visada čia lankomės.
Tai jūs čia realiai kiekvieną savaitgalį būnate ir mokinate. Stengiatės kuo dažniau, taip?
Tiesiog, šita muzika mus traukia, aš tikrųjų įsimylėjusi salsą iki dangaus ir be to aš negaliu gyventi ir jau mes iš tikrųjų stengiamės čia kuo dažniau būti.
Tai visi šie žmonės dabar būtent ir išmoksta šios judesius, taip?
Išmoksta mokyklose judesius. Taip.
Būtent jie treniruojasi labiau.
Čia yra vakarėlis, kuriame tu gali įtvirtinti savo išmoktus judesius mokykloje. Tai va, šio vakarėlio metu.
Žodžiu, rekomenduojate visiems čia užsukti ir...
Čia yra labai geras baras, daug vietos, labai gera atmosfera, iš tikrųjų sukurta kubietiška aplinka su tam tikra interjeru, iš tikrųjų labai rekomenduoju visiems čia ateiti.
Ačiū Jums labai, gerą vakarą. Ačiū.